Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine, enjoying at home and doing your work also. And beta, please follow the guidelines for the corona which is given by our government, because that is very important. If you will follow, then only it will be possible for us to meet soon. Okay, otherwise what will happen? We won't be able to meet. Now I am going to explain. We have already done our whole portion, and this is your revision sheet, and I am going to explain you the question answers. Here, answer in one word. Which game is PV Sindhu associated with? And with which games is associated with? Badminton. PV Sindhu and Saina Nehwal. Both are playing badminton for our country. Okay, they represent in the international match. See the picture of PV Sindhu. Now next is, which animal is strong, powerful, fearless, bold and confident? And that is the lion. And it is lion, the king of the forest. See the picture of lion. What do we learn from animals? And my dear, when you will see the life of the animals, early in the morning you will listen the chirping of the birds, the sound of the cock, then animals, cow, goats, they get up very early. They are very close to the nature. That's why they fell less sick. They are having immunity power in their body. That's why you will see animals doesn't fall sick like we people. We people fell more sick. Why? Because we are not close to the nature. We are doing opposite thing. Awaking at night, sleeping late night, getting up late in the morning, and this makes us weak. Whatever work is done according to the nature, that is beneficial for us. And all the animals, almost you will see that they will wake up early, they work the whole day, and as soon as the time is of sunset, before sunset, you will see the birds also returning to their home, and the animals also who is going to graze in the field, those animals also come back to their home. So we can learn punctuality from the animal. See, animal is also teaching us lots of lesson. Regularity and punctuality is the most important for students. See, here are some animals, picture of some animals. We enjoy also some animals. Definitely we enjoy the company of parrot, rabbit, and most of the birds also. You will see in many houses there are kept colorful birds, and people enjoy their company. Where is the India Gate located? And where is the India Gate located, my dear? In New Delhi. And why was India Gate built? You know. I am showing you the picture and I will explain you. See here. India Gate was built in the memory of 80,000 Indian soldiers. Okay, in First World War and Bangladesh Liberation War, in both the war, our soldier, 80,000 soldiers were killed. When there was First World War, British was ruling our country. Our freedom fighters were not willing to participate in that, but British government did that, and many of our Indian soldiers were killed. And after the liberation war of Bangladesh, this India Gate was built in the memory of these 80,000 Indian soldiers who gave their life. And this is the reason it is also called Indian Army's tomb. Wait. Another name of India Gate is Indian Army's tomb. Which animal carries its baby in its pouch? And there is only one animal, my dear, in the world which carries its baby in the pouch, and that is kangaroo. I am showing you the picture of this animal here. Behind leg is big, front leg is small, and here is the pouch inside, in which the small baby they carry. Now here you have to give two examples of each. Whichever question is asked, you have to give 2 examples. Female Indian athlete. And here are 2 examples. Mary Kom, Geeta Fogart. I will show you the picture and then I will explain about Mary Kom also and Geeta Fogart also. See, this is the picture of Geeta Fogart. And she is a wrestler, my dear. Her father was also a wrestler and he wanted a baby boy. That he should have a baby boy, and to that baby boy he will make wrestler. But one after another, 4 daughters came. 4 baby girl he got. Geeta, Babita, Neetu and Shruti. 4 sisters. And after that they lost the hope of the son, and he started making these daughters only the wrestler. And the film Dangal, I think all of you have seen, that film is made by Amir Khan, is based on the life of Geeta Fogart only. And here see Mary Kom. She is a boxer. And one film is made on her life also. The name of the film is also Mary Kom. And the actress Priyanka Chopra has played the lead role in that film. Now see sources of energy. Solar energy, electricity. If there is electricity, everything is possible in your home. AC, cooler, fan, bulb, TV, fridge, washing machine, all the electric equipments are working. And if there is no electricity, everything is just over. And solar energy is the energy which is made by solar panels. And with the sunlight, I am showing you the solar panel also, my dear. See, these are the solar panel from which it means this panel observes the sunlight and makes electricity and passes it into the battery. And this is the thermal power where electricity is produced. Mobile machine. In these days we are using many mobile machine. Mobile phone is also a mobile machine which we are carrying everywhere. By that we can click the pictures also, make videos. Many functions are there. We are taking class also like that. Only laptop, car, jeep, bus, boat, aeroplane, all these machine. This mobile machine is, my dear, of 2 words, mobile and machine. Machine means any equipment which reduces your energy and time. Means by using machine, if we are using the machine, less time and less energy is needed to do any work. And mobile means which can be moved. Suppose we are going on foot from here to station, it will take more than 2 hours, but by a car less than half hour, or 20 minutes also you can take. So this is the meaning of machine, and mobile means movable. Here I have given you the example of two mobile machine, that is laptop and car. See the picture of laptop, it can be moved from here to there, and car is used to move only. Life lessons that great leader teach us. My dear, leaders are the person to whom we follow because of their good moral values, good work, and one is never stop learning. There is no age bar, no time bar of learning. Whole life we learn from one another. Sometimes I learn from you, sometimes you learn from me. So there is no age bar, time bar to learn. We should never stop learning. Fight for what you believe. Means whatever we are having the correct concept, we should fight for that, if we have believe in that. See, this is the picture of Mahatma Gandhi, and he believed in truth and non-violence, and fought for that only till the end of his life. And Subhash Chandra Bose, his thought was to do or die, to fight for the independence of our country, and for that he made one army also, and he also fought till the last breath of his life. Animals that bleed, and all of you know these two animals, goat and sheep. These animals, whatever sound they are making, it is called bleat. This is the picture of goat, and this is the picture of sheep who gives us wool also. Now my dear, how you have to do your homework? In very neat and clean handwriting. First you will write CW and date also, or SW and date, homework it is, and write darker so that it should be clear in the PDF file. Okay? Thank you dear. Have a nice day. Enjoy.